Hey everybody, welcome to Natural Health Solutions. I'm so excited to be here with you today. You know, I love to dance, but sometimes my feet need a little extra love. And that's what we're talking about today, toenail fungus. Now I know, it's not the most glamorous topic, but it's something that a lot of people deal with. And I'm here to tell you that you don't have to suffer in silence. We're going to go over the top 7 natural ways to treat toenail fungus at home. These are simple, effective remedies you can try right now. So put your feet up, relax, and get ready to say goodbye to toenail fungus for good. First up, we're heading down under, to the land of cute koalas and amazing accents. That's right, we're talking about tea tree oil. Now this isn't your average cuppa. Tea tree oil comes from the leaves of the melaleuca tree. And let me tell you, this stuff is potent. It's like the superhero of the natural remedy world, fighting off all kinds of bacteria and fungus. And the best part is, it's been used for centuries, so you know it's the real deal. So how does it work? Well, tea tree oil has this compound called terpenin 4-ol. Sounds fancy, right? It is. This compound goes straight for the fungus, breaking down its defenses and sending it packing. Plus, it's a natural anti-inflammatory, so it'll help with any redness or itching you might have. It's like a soothing spa treatment for your toenails. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I use this miracle oil? It's super easy. Just grab a cotton swab, put a couple of drops of tea tree oil on it, and apply it directly to your toenail. Make sure you get the whole nail and a little bit of the skin around it too. You can do this once or twice a day, depending on how stubborn that fungus is feeling. One thing to remember is that tea tree oil is pretty strong, so you might want to dilute it with a little bit of coconut oil or olive oil, especially if you have sensitive skin. And be patient, it might take a few weeks or even months to see the full effects. But trust me, it's worth it. Next up, we're talking about a pantry staple, something you probably already have in your kitchen. Nope, it's not pickles, although I do love a good dill pickle. We're talking about apple cider vinegar. You know, the stuff that makes your salads sing? Well, it turns out apple cider vinegar isn't just for salad dressings anymore. It's also a powerful antifungal. See, fungus loves to hang out in places that are warm and damp, but apple cider vinegar is acidic, and it creates an environment that fungus just can't stand. It's like turning your toenails into a no-fun zone for fungus. Now here's the important part. Soak your feet in that vinegar water mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can do this once or twice a day, depending on how your feet are feeling. And don't forget to dry your feet thoroughly afterwards, especially between your toes. We want to make sure those little piggies are nice and dry. Now I know what you're thinking. Vinegar? Won't my feet smell like a salad? Don't worry, the smell goes away pretty quickly. And trust me, it's a small price to pay for healthy, fungus-free toenails. Plus, think of all the delicious salads you can make with that leftover apple cider vinegar. You're welcome. Coconut oil. Is there anything it can't do? You put it in your smoothies, you put it in your hair. Some people even put it, well, let's just say coconut oil has a lot of uses. But did you know it can help with toenail fungus? It's true. And you know what else is true? Sometimes my gardener Portia tries to sneak extra coconut oil onto the grocery list, but I catch her because I'm like a detective when it comes to grocery shopping, right? But seriously, coconut oil has these things called medium-chain fatty acids. And they're like little bouncers for your toenails, keeping that pesky fungus from crashing the party. One of these bouncers is lauric acid. And let me tell you, lauric acid does not mess around. It's like the Beyoncé of the fatty acid world. But coconut oil isn't just tough on fungus. It's also a real sweetheart to your skin. It's emollient, which is a fancy way of saying it softens and moisturizes your skin and nails. And we all love soft skin, right? I mean, have you ever met a baby with rough feet? No, because babies know what's up. So how do you actually use coconut oil for this whole toenail fungus situation? Well, it's super easy. First, you want to make sure your coconut oil is softened up. You can do this by putting the jar in a warm place or even just holding it in your hands for a few minutes. Once it's nice and melty, just scoop a little bit out with your finger or a cotton swab if you're feeling fancy, and gently rub it onto your toenails and the surrounding skin. And don't be shy, really massage it in there. Think of it as giving your feet a little mini vacation. Now here's the thing about coconut oil. It's not a miracle worker. You're not going to put it on once and suddenly have the toenails of a Greek god or goddess. Consistency is key, people. Just like anything else worth having in life, a good relationship, a successful career, a really comfortable pair of sweatpants, getting rid of toenail fungus takes time and effort. So keep at it. Apply that coconut oil every day and be patient. You'll start to see results eventually, I promise. And in the meantime, your feet will be nice and moisturized, which is never a bad thing. Unless you're a gecko, then maybe you don't want moisturized feet. I don't know, I'm not a gecko expert. Okay, let's talk about garlic. I love it on my pizza, I love it in my pasta, but on my toenails, that's a new one. But hey, if it works, right? And trust me, when it comes to toenail fungus, garlic works. Turns out garlic isn't just good for warding off vampires and adding flavor to your food, it's also a powerful antifungal. You see, garlic has these compounds like allicin and ajoine that are like little ninjas, sneaking up on that fungus and taking it down from the inside. They're like, hey fungus, party's over. And the fungus is all, oh no, not the garlic ninjas, anything but that. But wait, there's more. Garlic is also a natural anti-inflammatory, which means it can help calm down all that redness and swelling that often comes with toenail fungus. It's like a soothing balm for your toes. Now you might be thinking, Ellen, am I supposed to just rub a raw clove of garlic on my toes? And to that I say, well, you could, but please don't. There are much more pleasant ways to harness the power of garlic for your feet. One option is to make a garlic paste. Just crush up a few cloves of garlic and mix them with a little bit of olive oil or coconut oil, because why not double down on the antifungal power? Then apply this paste directly to your toenails and cover them with a bandage. Leave it on for a few hours, then rinse it off. Your feet might smell like an Italian restaurant, but hey, at least they'll be fungus-free. Another option is to use garlic oil. You can find this at most health food stores, or you can even make your own by infusing some olive oil with garlic cloves. Just apply a few drops of the oil to your toenails twice a day and let the garlic work its magic. Just remember, like coconut oil, garlic takes time to work its antifungal wonders. Be patient, be consistent, and you'll be well on your way to happy, healthy toenails. Okay, people, let's talk about foot hygiene. I know, it's not the most glamorous topic, but trust me, it's important, especially when it comes to preventing and treating toenail fungus. Think of it like this. Your feet are like a little ecosystem. They need the right balance of moisture, air, and cleanliness to thrive. Too much of one thing or not enough of another can throw the whole system out of whack. And that's when fungus decides to move in and set up shop. So how do you keep your feet happy and fungus-free? It's all about simple, everyday habits. First and foremost, wash your feet every single day. And I'm not talking about a quick splash and dash in the shower. I'm talking about a good, thorough washing with soap and water, making sure to get in between those toes where fungus loves to hide. And speaking of toes, after you wash your feet, dry them thoroughly, especially between those little piggies. Fungus loves moisture, so don't give it a chance to throw a pool party on your feet. Now let's talk about socks. I love a good pair of fuzzy socks as much as the next person. But when it comes to foot hygiene, cotton socks are your best friend. They're breathable and help to wick away moisture, which, as we've established, is public enemy number 1 in the fight against fungus. And while we're on the subject of footwear, let's not forget about shoes. Just like socks, shoes can trap moisture and create a breeding ground for bacteria and fungus. So make sure you're wearing breathable shoes and alternating pairs so they have a chance to air out completely between wears. Don't forget to inspect your feet regularly for any signs of fungus, like discoloration, thickening, or crumbling of the nails. Early detection is key. The sooner you catch it, the easier it is to treat. And always wear flip-flops or shower shoes in public showers, locker rooms, and pools. You never know what kind of fungal fiesta might be happening on those floors. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're talking about natural ways to tackle toenail fungus, and let me tell you, this next one is a breath of fresh air, literally. We're diving into the world of essential oils. Now, I love a good lavender scent as much as the next person, but these oils are more than just aromatherapy superstars. We're talking potent plant power here, folks. They're like the superheroes of the natural remedy world. fighting off those pesky fungi with their incredible antifungal properties. And the best part? They smell amazing while doing it. It's like a spa day for your toes, minus the cucumber water and the awkward small talk. Now I know what you're thinking. Ellen, are you sure these fancy-smelling oils can actually tackle something as stubborn as toenail fungus? And the answer is yes! These oils pack a serious punch, and they're ready to evict those fungal party crashers from your toenails once and for all. But don't just take my word for it. We're going to break down exactly how these essential oils work their magic. And trust me, you'll be just as impressed as I am. So grab your favorite diffuser, light a candle, and get ready to learn about the power of essential oils. Welcome back, everyone. Now, when you think of probiotics, you probably think of yogurt, kombucha, or maybe even kimchi. And while those are all delicious and good for your gut, did you know that probiotics might also be helpful in the fight against toenail fungus? I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. Probiotics are like the good guys of the bacteria world, and they play a crucial role in keeping our bodies healthy inside and out. And it turns out, they might have a few tricks up their sleeves when it comes to tackling those pesky fungal infections. Now, I'm not saying you should start rubbing yogurt on your toes just yet, but there's growing evidence that probiotics could play a role in supporting a healthy balance of microorganisms on our skin, including our toenails. And a healthy skin microbiome means less room for those pesky fungi to set up shop. So, how exactly do these tiny warriors work their magic? Well, for starters, they help to strengthen our immune system, which is our body's first line of defense against all sorts of invaders, including fungi. It's like giving our immune system a pep talk and a high five, all in one. Think of it this way. When our gut is healthy and happy, our immune system is strong and ready to fight off anything that comes its way. And probiotics are like the ultimate gut cheerleaders, keeping things balanced and functioning at their best. But that's not all. Probiotics are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which means they can help calm down the redness, swelling, and discomfort that often come along with toenail fungus. It's like giving those irritated toes a much-needed hug. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, this all sounds great, but how do I incorporate probiotics into my toenail fungus fighting routine? Well, that's the million-dollar question. While more research is needed to determine the most effective ways to use probiotics for toenail fungus, there are definitely things you can do to support a healthy gut and a strong immune system. And that, my friends, is always a good thing. Well, there you have it, folks. We've covered 7 natural ways to treat toenail fungus at home, from the powerful punch of tea tree oil to the gut-healthy benefits of probiotics. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies, so be patient, be persistent, and don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for you. And as always, if you have any concerns about your health, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor. They're the real experts after all. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of natural health remedies and solutions and much more. See you in the next video. Take care.